Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Yoast SEO with Elementor. This powerful combination allows you to optimize your pages for search engines while designing them visually, making it easier to create content that both looks great and ranks well in Google. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard with various menu options on the left side of your screen. Now look for the plugins option in that left sidebar and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can browse and install thousands of plugins designed to extend your WordPress site's functionality. In the search field at the top right of the page, type Yoast SEO and press Enter. The plugin should appear as one of the first results. It's one of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress, so you'll recognize it by its distinctive traffic light icon. Once you see it, click the Install Now button. After a few seconds, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is crucial because installing alone doesn't make the plugin functional, you must activate it. With Yoast SEO now active, navigate back to your main dashboard. From there, look for the Pages option in the left menu and hover over it. Click on Add New Page to create a fresh page where you'll combine Elementor's design capabilities with Yoast SEO features. Once the page editor loads, you'll see a button near the top that says Edit with Elementor. Click this button to launch the Elementor Visual Builder. The page may take a moment to load as Elementor initializes its interface. Once Elementor opens, you'll notice something new. Look at the left panel where Elementor's design options typically appear. You should now see a Yoast SEO tab integrated right into this panel. This is the beauty of using these two tools together. You don't have to leave Elementor to optimize your SEO settings. Click on the Yoast SEO tab to open the SEO analysis panel. Inside this panel, you'll find a text field labeled Focus Keyphrase. This is where you'll enter the main keyword or phrase you want this page to rank for in search engines. Type in your target keyphrase and Yoast will immediately start analyzing your content to see how well you've optimized it for that particular term. The plugin will give you feedback through a traffic light system: green for good, orange for okay, and red for needs improvement. From here, you can explore all the other features Yoast SEO offers right within Elementor. You can adjust your meta title and description, check readability scores, and see real-time suggestions for improving your page's SEO performance, all while designing your page visually. This seamless integration makes it incredibly efficient to build SEO-friendly pages without constantly switching between different interfaces. And that's how you use Yoast SEO with Elementor to create optimized pages on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.